Hello everyone, I'm Olivér Kovács, a Hungarian composer. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to compose orchestral music that features medieval instruments and an ethereal vocal. Let's start with the basics. The key signature is G minor, the scale is G Dorian, the time signature is 3/4 time, and the tempo is 115 BPM. The main theme is performed by the vocal line, while the intro theme is played by a wooden flute which is doubled by the strings. Here's how it sounds. I chose the Dorian mode because it evokes an ancient, timeless mood. The G Dorian diatonic triads are as follows. Here's the chord progression I used. The first violins usually play the highest note, while the second violins harmonize with it. The violas, along with the clarinets, play chords in a slightly different rhythm from the vocal line. Initially, the cellos and the double basses use legato articulation, but later switch to pizzicato to create a contrast with the other instruments, which mostly play legato. The clarinets play harmonizing notes in legato alongside the violas. The two-hole flute introduces a counter melody to the main theme. As mentioned earlier, the intro theme is played by the wooden flute. The drums have defined the rhythm, making it easier for the listener to follow and enhancing the medieval atmosphere. Here's how the medieval drums sound. I used two medieval string instruments, a tenor viola da gamba and a lute. The lute plays chords while the viola da gamba bridges the intro and the main theme, and also leads into the final cadence. I also added a harp to contribute rhythm to the melody at the beginning and to enhance the transition at the end. As you heard, I didn't use all the instruments, for example I left out the brass section. It's not necessary to use all the instruments all the time, so feel free to leave more space in the orchestration. The vocal library I used is Best Service Vocal Codex, and the medieval instruments are from Best Service Era 2. If you found this video interesting and useful, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.